Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to 2026. It is a new year and it's about to be a good one, I think. I hope you guys had a lovely time with your families and a great holiday. I am gonna be doing a little vlog today. The kids went back to school this morning and it's just me and Jenny girl and she's napping. So I'm like, I have some time. Let's make a video. My hair's not done. My kitchen's not really that clean, but we're still doing it because that's kind of the intention of this new year, is to not get stopped up by all the things that I haven't done perfectly, because I feel like if you're waiting for everything to be perfect when you got 3 kids, you're just never gonna be able to do it, You kind of just have to get on and make inspiring content that makes you happy. That's not perfect, so that's the goal for this year. Anyway, all that to say, we're gonna do a little vlog, and there's a couple projects that I've been wanting to do. Well, one we finished, which is the basement, and that's what I'm gonna kind of show you a little bit of today. And then also I have 4 wallpaper projects that I have been dreaming of since we moved into this house, and today they're actually happening. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of it just feel like there's some fun stuff happening today, so it just felt like a good day to do a vlog. And thank you so much to Trust and Will for sponsoring today's video. More on that later. Okay, I need to go feed Jenny. She's awake. Jenny. Hi, Jenny. Hi. What you doing? Is your room gonna be so pretty? We're gonna get wallpaper today. Yes, we are. Cool. Okay, so he's putting on the paste and then folding it over and taking it over here. Here. Looks pretty cool. Jenny, is it cool? Is it cool? Looks so good. Okay, they're getting everything moved off the walls. Been looking for those things. Jenny's clothes. But they're gonna move everything off the walls and get started in this room. I should take that down too. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the basement. The guys are doing their thing up here, getting a groove. It's looking so good. And the basement is this way. Love this view because I love the tile down here. Isn't it so good? I know. So this tile is like my dream tile. I'm so happy with it. I'm gonna do an official review of this space. It got really dark here, hold on. There'll be a big video, but for right now, I'm just gonna give you a small update. This is the garage straight ahead. When you walk off the garage is the entrance to the main living space. So this is where my aunt is gonna be living. We are not fully done. We still need a countertop and a sink, but look at the bathroom. We got our vanity. This is so cool because it's a beautiful arched mirror. But look at this, you guys. It's actually a medicine cabinet and it's huge. So love that. Her bed is gonna go down here. We're measuring that out right now, getting her a new bed. That way she can sit in bed, look out the window, look for deer in the wild, watch the boys play. So we tried to make this kind of a multi-functional space, like a studio. So this will be a sitting area with some of her furniture. We'll have a little kitchenette down here. There's not gonna be any full kitchen. It's kind of like a bar kitchen. We have a mini fridge, we'll have a sink, a faucet, and some art right there. But really trying to do this on a budget. I bought these cabinets on Amazon and then we have them painted. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. We gotta put some knobs on, get some doorknobs. And then down here, if you've seen my other videos, we are gonna save this room down here to be like a kid's room. Whether it's for homeschool or a playroom, we have an old dining table and chairs. we are considering homeschooling next year for Sawyer. So if that's the case, that's gonna be like our dedicated room for that, which will be fun. And then these are the stairs that go up to the house. And that is your quick little basement tour. Stay tuned for all the finishing touches. So I put Jenny down for a nap. Normally when she naps, I sit down and do any computer work that I have. This usually consists of emails, doing any like design planning for any space in my home, or sometimes it requires doing things like our trust and our will. This is something that we've been chipping away at. So Tyler and I are building our family trust through trustandwill.com. It's interesting, 83% of Americans believe that estate planning is important, yet only 31% of us have an actual will. And I think it's just because it seems insurmountable. It seems overwhelming and hard. But this program, I can tell you from experience, makes it so easy and so simple as it guides you through what you need to include, what you need to elect for guardians, dependents, if you have special items that you want to have protected or you want to have go to certain people in your family. All of those things are important parts of your life that you really want to have protected and you want to have a plan for. And this really is for all stages of life. Whether you're newly married, you're a parent, you might be a new homeowner, you might be caring for aging loved ones. Trust and Will offers the tools to protect your family, really no matter what stage of life you're in. So if this is something that's on your New Year's resolution list to kind of get together for your family, you guys can scan the QR code or you guys can click my link below. If you use my code TUBE20, you will get 20% off and you guys can get started. Okay, it's time to check on the wallpaper. I think they're getting going with Jenny's room soon. Jenny, what are you doing? Jenny, are you in the closet? Oh my goodness. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It is the most unheard of weather in Tennessee. It's gonna be 71 today, and sunny and windy. In the middle of January. But here's my lunch for today. I have tuna, carrots, and I didn't have any crackers, so I just used veggie straws. Try to, you're gonna blow away here in a minute. I try to get all of my protein in, high protein lunch. Before Jenny wakes up. And then I'll feed her, play with her for a little bit. Have her go down for another nap and I'll go pick up the boys from school. So I thought we'd just have like a little chit chat since Buddha's eating here alone. How are we feeling about the new year, everybody? Does it feel like you feel rejuvenated and ready to take it on? Does it feel like every other year? I feel like for me, it actually feels like a really good, fresh start. Because last year, I started the year off so morning sick, and that kind of, you know, it's hard to like, you want to get stuff done. You want to get Christmas put away. You want to clean. Not only was I morning sick, but I got pneumonia last year. So far, this start of this year has been amazing. I feel like I have so much energy, and I'm just so grateful for all of God's blessings, and I'm just excited to just get things in order. I have felt a little bit like chaos surrounding me, seeing that we built a house, had a baby, had the holidays, hosted at the holidays, had 2 birthday parties, 3 birthday parties. Well, I didn't have a birthday party, but it was my birthday. And so it's just been like going. So the new year just felt like, okay, a good, fresh restart and clean slate. And I'm really excited. My aunt is moving in. She's my godmother. She's not really my aunt, but I call her my aunt because she's been in my life since I was born. And she basically used to be like my nanny when my mom started her business 35 years ago. Well, 33 years ago. I think I was 3. when my mom started her interior design business. And Aunt Lynn was like my gal. So she is getting older, she lives alone. She's had some health concerns, and so we just figured let's bring her out to Tennessee, and we have the space to build out the basement and to make it awesome. So also just getting prepared for that, and I think it's gonna be so fun. She loves to cook, so I really hope there's a lot of cooking in our future with the kids, and it's just very peaceful, as you can see out here. Her room would face this on the first floor down below, so I'm excited for her to get to experience that. I'm hoping it stays warm because it's literally been in the 70s, like high 60s and 70s in January, which if you live in the Midwest is unheard of. Like, I don't know what's going on. So hopefully it stays like that because she's coming from California. So she's gonna be a little shocked when it's snowing and cold. Okay, I put Jenny down for another nap. And now I gotta go get the other babies. Well, I am the worst vlogger. I forgot to vlog ever since I got home. But we made dinner, and now we're hanging out and eating dessert. And just playing, right, Jenny? Thanks for following our day. I will keep you posted about those rooms. They are coming together, and I think they're gonna turn out so beautiful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.